Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to build an affiliate army. What that means basically is people are going to promote your product, your course, your business, whatever you have to offer in turn of a revenue that you're going to give to them as a service. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I already created a video in this playlist. You can go back and watch it. But basically, if you're promoting stuff, for example, I'm promoting this mouse, and whoever buys this mouse through my affiliate link, I'm going to get the commission from the company who created this mouse. So you can reverse back that around if you have something to offer and something to sell. For example, we have our own affiliate program on webdonut.net. You can check it out and participate if you're interested and if you have a large audience. Basically, we give away 20% to every time that that person makes a sale, and we have able to be track that sale through Gumroad. So every time you make a sale as our affiliate, we are able to see that because you made a sale through our affiliate link, and we are going to pay you that 20% from the product value. Everything happens automatically through Gumroad, basically in our case. But on my website, on Teachable, for example, I have a different affiliate platform, and basically it works exactly the same way, but it's not through Gumroad, it's through Teachable. So whatever you are trying and wherever you are hosting your website, you can do those methods. But basically, you are going to attract people who are going to promote your products, your courses, your business, and in return, whenever they make a sale, they are going to get the cut from that sale. If you don't like to give away too much money, then don't. This is not the right thing for you. But if you're smart and you want to expand your business to as many possible customers as you want and as you possibly can, then I would really encourage you to try this affiliate route and to create your own affiliate army, because it can really bring you a lot of money and a lot of value down to the future, because some affiliates are going to bring you more earnings than you can do yourself, because they have bigger audience, and the audience who is used to being promoted and who is used to purchasing these products because they have the money, than you can do yourself. Because as soon as you start expanding your business, you're not going to be able to do and to work on all of these areas of your business as you did in the past, because for example, you don't have time or money to invest in promotional materials, you don't have time to invest in social media posts, you don't have time to create all of these different videos, for example, to promote your product. Then affiliate army is going to really help kick things off in the good way, because they are going to start bringing you these sales through their own audience. So if you don't have an affiliate army but you do have a product, make sure to consider that and make sure to reach out to your audience via email list, for example, or your social media audience, or create a dedicated video and reach out to your audience that way and simply ask them, is there anybody who is interested in being my affiliate, for example, for 20%, 30%, 40%. You can really decide on your own what's good fit for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much, much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.